Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how Premiere Pro released a new feature, and let me tell you what it is. Premiere Pro, and let's say this is the file, your audio file or whatever. So what you have to do is go to Window, and you need to open Essential Sound. So once you have opened up an Essential Sound, you want to click on Enhance Speech, but yeah, so you want to click on Enhance Speech, but before that on the dialogue, and then you select how many audios you want, and then you basically just click Enhance. Then you wait for a few minutes, seconds, depending on how long your audio is, so that the AI can do its thing. And basically, when it's done like so, you can drag this to the left or to the right. If you go all the way to the left, then it won't change anything. It will be as your original sound. But if you go all the way to the right, it will be the most enhanced. And basically this is for, as you can see, makes voice recordings sound like they were recorded in a professional studio, removing all background noise and echo. So this is perfect if you are like filming outside, doing like outside type of content or whatever. So basically these are the steps, and that's how I do it. It's pretty simple. You basically just click a button. Once you have clicked the button, you wait for it to do its thing, and then you can just play around with it, see what you like, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.